शाने वतन दिखाती है 26 जनवरी, शाने वतन दिखाती है 26 जनवरी, जनता का दिल बढ़ाती है 26 जनवरी। सामईन गिरामी, अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान वक्त की बैनुल अक़वामी ज़ुबान है और इसका पढ़ना, समझना और बोलना वक्त की ज़रूरत हो गई है। लोगों के ज़हन में ये बात आती है कि मदारिस के अंदर अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान से कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं, जबकि हकीकत ये है कि मदारिस ने भी अपने निज़ाम में इस बैनुल अक़वामी ज़ुबान को दाखिल किया है। इसकी एक झलक पेश करने के लिए मैं मदऊ कर रहा हूँ मोहम्मद फैसल मुतअल्लिम दर्जा पंजुम को इस शेर के साथ। क़ौम-ए सफ़े हस्ती से मिट जाती है गाफिल, क़ौम-ए सफ़े हस्ती से मिट जाती है गाफिल, जिन्हें एहसास फ़िक्र हाल मुस्तक़बिल नहीं होता। मौसूम माइक पर।
नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बाद। In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Respected President, honorable teachers, welcome to all the guests and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we have gathered here in order to celebrate this occasion, I am here to deliver a speech on dowry system. The dowry system is such a bad tradition which has been going on for centuries. The dowry system is one of the prevalent evils in the society at the time of marriage. Money, property, jewelry and furniture are given by the girl's family to the boy's family, which is called dowry system. The girl and her family are harassed for dowry, and this dowry system is spread in our society. The dowry system was started so that girls can get financial help after marriage and they can live their life properly. But with the changing times, the greed of money has arisen among the people, and this dowry system has gradually taken the form of an evil. How dowry system can be abolished or ended? Number 1, Sunnat and Shariat. Number 2, education. Number 3, strict love. Number 4, women empowerment. For this, we should raise our voice to end the dowry system and strongly condemn this dowry system. This dowry system causes pain for the girl and her family. To get rid of this evil, the government still needs to make strict laws so that girls or her family members do not face trouble for dowry. The government and the general public need to stand together to end this dowry system completely. Dowry system is haram in Islam. Muslim gurus should not demand for dowry. But you know that there is very small percentage of people who are completely following Islam. If everyone will marry in Sunnat ways without spending crores of rupees in wasteful things, then lot of change can be seen in our society. May Allah guide us to the right path. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.